Okay, guys, here is the cabinet layout to size and scale. 36-inch range, appliance hood above it. I know we had talked about a wood hood or an appliance hood. So right now I just dropped one of these in. The top of these cabinets is 108 inches off the floor. These uppers, as shown in the bid, are 52 inches tall. Glass doors on these uppers. Pantry cabinet, which is 30 wide. The bar with a wine captain here. Tray divider, spice pull-out, angled cabinet, base cabinet. This upper will have an angle as well. 42-inch built-in fridge, oven, microwave right here. The island is 108 inches. These are 24 deep, and then a foot overhang off the back. So looking at the face of the island, dishwasher, sink cabinet, trash, drawers left and right. The back of the island is adjustable shelving. I know this area is possibly still moving around, but off of the measurement that we determined, this is what we landed on. Fridge leg. Yes, you could possibly do an angled cabinet in here, but we will see what you guys would like to do with that. Master, sink, and drawers left and right. Bank of drawers in the center. And we had talked about making this an angled piece. I would prefer to keep it square. When we do those angles, you are going to lose this drawer stack. But I know we've got our doorway, but our laundry room's here and stuff's going to move around, so this might flex a little bit. Hall bathroom. Sink, drawer stack in the middle. And each of these sink cabinets are 24 wide. And I know we've got a plumbing issue here. And the linen cabinets on the other side, 30 3/4, 8 feet tall, drawers on the bottom, adjustable shelving here, 24 deep, and the laundry room. Again, this wall the depth of this might change. Stack washer and dryer, sink, bench, drawers, upper cabinets. Linen cabinet, 24 deep. These will be about 27, 28 inches deep. And this bench is not, the bench is 18 deep, and then this guy is 24 deep. So let me know what you think of that, and if we need to flex anything, and we can go from there. Thank you.